Hi! Hi! So today on my lazy kitchen, we are baking a chocolate cake, vegan and gluten-free. And this is the condensed version, the very short version if you want to go to the essential. My wig is falling over. Anyway, so what you'll need in this recipe are the dry ingredients are 1.5 cup of any type of flour, rice flour if you're gluten intolerant or celiac, or wheat flour if that's the only thing you have. 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa, and finally, but the first key ingredients that we will need for this recipe, which is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Not baking powder, sodium bicarbonate baking soda. This is a key ingredient that you need to have to do this recipe, especially if you're dealing with rice flour. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together so that it's very smooth, very well blended, and then you can add your wet ingredients, which are 1 cup of water, just add it like that, 1/3 of a cup of oil, not olive oil, something that has no taste like sunflower oil, corn oil, or anything like that. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It will enhance the taste of the chocolate. And finally, the second key ingredient in this recipe, which is 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. If you don't have white vinegar, you could potentially change it for lemon juice, but I haven't tested this myself, but it might still work. Just mix everything together and bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Take it out and leave it to cool, and you're done. I repeat, very important, key ingredients are the baking soda, not baking powder, and the white vinegar. The two will make this reaction that will create oxygen inside your cake once it's baking and make it nice and fluffy. Without it, it will just be a brick.